Welcome to Narrowboat that James built. Hope you're well. Thanks for joining me. For the last few days, it's all been about the base plate. I've had to get the boat moved off the chocks to lay on some sleepers to shimmy the boat along a little bit so I can access the two strips which are, as yet, untreated.
Okay, I'm going to try to do all of this in one kind of go. Where the hell is it? Oh, it's down here. Right. Vac tan. A little thing to put the vac tan in. A brush. One of them. Scraper. And a hammer. Oh my word. There's not much room. I'm not enjoying this at all. For some reason, this feels so much more dangerous than when it was about a foot higher, where I felt really secure. For some reason, I just don't feel secure. Oh, I'm hating this. That hurt. Oh. Right. I was wrong yesterday when I said that this would be a bit of a treat because it's not much. This is horrible. I just want to get it done. was horrible. It's much lower down here at the stern than it is at the bow, so there was just enough room for my elbow and the height of the paintbrush. Oh. That was horrible. And in fairness, even Marvellous Marlin couldn't have helped me with that one, because there's not even enough room for his biceps down here. Right, let's get out of here. Oh, I've got 2 coats of blacking to do as well, but luckily, not today. Oh. There we go. There's one. And here's t'other. Yeah, it's all pretty good now. Happy days. Okay, next up. Got to carry on with this. Got to still clean up more around here and a bit more around there. You'll see Ralph's now finished welding that and blacked it. I've now got to carry on doing this engine enamel. I think I might spray it with a coat of lacquer once it's done. See how it goes, but you're never going to see it, as everyone's reminded me, so yeah, I'm not going to lose any sleep over it, certainly. Just kind of get this on now. This brush is perfect for this. There's lots of seals and things that you want to steer clear of, so like a big brush just wouldn't. This is quite accurate. Which is the whole point of this. Instead of block spraying it, which is what Ralph wanted to do, then you cover up all the seals and stuff, which isn't ideal. Run out of room on this Boat Loves wall here, so I'm having to move on to something actually a little bit more permanent and visible, because this is the water tank. It's going to be under there. You're going to be able to see it when you remove the stairs out of the way. So all of these names of people that have just recently supported the channel, honestly, it's amazing. It makes all the difference in the world, this support. You'll have no idea, honestly. Thank you. To be honest, it kind of makes it even possible to do this. Basically, I'm painting everything metal. So the rubber seals I'm trying to stay away from, and obviously the cabling I'm trying to stay away from. I've nicked a couple of them. But yeah, once again, this first coat's not going on particularly nicely, but the second coat kind of does look all right. Kind of that's where it's at. It's kind of a nice solid block colour. So I'm fairly confident it will look all right. I'm not going to drive myself mad about it, because everyone says it's going to be obviously tucked away, no one's going to see it, so I can make my peace with it.
But I've got to go now and pick up the girls from school. And tomorrow I'm taking the twins swimming after school. So basically I've just got to get a right wriggle on before I take a kind of a break when I go to the Crick Boat Show. But yeah, that's looking a damn sight better now. It's got the yellow on the top blocks. Yeah, happy days. That is getting there. See, now that's been on for a little bit. You see there, it's really marked. So it does kind of dry quite quickly, this paint. As I said, it's quite thin. So you put on a bit of a, once it's kind of started setting a little bit. Put on a bit more and start to block out our colour. Right. Okay, I've got to go. Pick up the kids. Edit this video. Cook them some dinner, and then, which one's my boat? And then go back to slow patrol. Got to get a few things to sort out before we go to Crick. But these Vactan lines should have now gone off. You shouldn't really be able to see it too much. Yeah, that's all right. Oh, sort out the first coat of blacking those tomorrow. Oh dear. Right. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.